The Staff and HR module in Argenta has all the features you need for managing your organization's human resources, including time tracking and payroll. All of the modules in Argenta work together seamlessly, so you have everything you need all in one place. In this video, I'll show you how to complete a timesheet. Timesheets in Argenta help to ensure accurate project tracking and equitable workload distribution. They provide invaluable data for strategic planning and help to maximize progress. When you complete a timesheet, your manager is asked to approve it. Then your hours are sent to the accounting team. This ensures that your payroll gets processed on time. It's important to complete your timesheets within the current pay period and submit them for approval on time. To add a new timesheet, select Staff and HR, then Timesheets from the main menu. This will take you to a list of your timesheets. Click the Add New button to start a new timesheet. On the next screen, select your name from the staff member drop-down list. Enter the pay period start and end date, then click the Add Timesheet button. This will take you to the Timesheet workspace and the Task and Hours tab. This is where you'll enter your tasks and hours for the pay period you entered. You won't enter anything in the boxes you see here. Instead, you'll add tasks and the time you spend on each one. The system will make all the necessary calculations based on the task information you enter. To enter a task, click the Add New Task button. This will bring up the Add Task to a timesheet window. When your iteration of Argenta is built, a list of tasks should be created for staff members to choose from. You can either search for a task or view a list of tasks here. Select the task you completed from the list. The list will close and you'll see the task you selected. If necessary, type a brief description of the work you did. Then, if your task is associated to a project or a grant, select that here. This is very important for billable hours or keeping track of work requirements for a grant you've received. Click the Add This Task button to finish. The window will close and you'll see your task here. You can always open and edit a task at a later time by clicking the Task ID link in the list. If your task involved driving, you can add your mileage along with the amount per mile for reimbursement here. Entering your time is easy. Just find the box for the day and week, either week 1 or week 2 of the pay period, and enter the number of hours you spent on the task at that time. You can enter decimal values if necessary. When you're done, make sure to save your changes. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary, entering one task for each thing you do throughout the pay period. You can enter multiple tasks at once and enter hours in all the tasks. To save them, use the Save All Task Changes button above the list. As you enter your tasks throughout the pay period, you can keep coming back to the timesheet. You can click the Done for Now button each time you finish. When you have entered all of your tasks and completed your timesheet for the pay period, you can click the Submit for Approval button. This will put the timesheet in a pending approval state and send an email to your manager letting them know your timesheet needs to be approved. When your manager approves the timesheet, the status will change to Approved, and your accounting team will be notified that a timesheet has been approved and is ready for payroll. Thank you for watching our video on how to enter a timesheet in Argenta. For more information about this and all the modules in Argenta, check out our knowledge base at argentasoftware.com/kb.